MannyJ Style. I'm the founder and CEO of Threadhaus. I'm excited. Let's make this happen, right?
I'm Stoney Michelli Love, CEO and founder of Stuzo Clothing. What up? What's good? Yes, all right.
Threadhaus, Stuzo labels.
No, I love those.
Also do something really fun too, like that. You know what I'm saying? Like you can just kind of mix it up a little bit.
It's crazy how this all comes together.
Yeah, now.
4 years ago we met. Like, I want to say the first Headwraps in the Park. This seems to be the theme with me meeting great creatives at Headwraps in the Park.
Shout out to Miss Fatima.
I think what, 2017? It was my first Headwraps. I didn't even wear Headwraps at the time. I mean, I don't, but I do dabble. Like, I do it the masculine way. I saw Tamara of New Heritage, but then I saw you next to her with one of the crew caps on, and I was like, but that hat though, I just was drawn to it.
I used to string hats on my belt and just wear it. So when somebody said, hey, I like that hat, where can I get one? I got you.
Right.
When I first started, I would go to bars, I would go to clubs, people's houses, have at least 10, 15 hats on me, and I would sell them.
I saw like all that you have, and I was just like, okay. I was like a kid in a candy store because I was like, I don't even know which one to pick.
So I made that hat. That was like one of the first ones that I did.
Yeah.
And it was so funny, I had the joint on in a picture. And you came to the booth and come up and you was like, yeah, that hat, I got suspenders to match it. And I was like, oh, that's dope. And you was like, I need that hat.
These are collector's items for me, and I love it's aligned with what we do, just making either no more than 12 of a run of something, so you just feel that you feel special, like nobody else gonna have this. Yeah.
I had never seen a brand so fearless with that message. When you have a message and you don't give a care about how people perceive it or what they think, it resonates with more people than you realize. Because my message for Threadhaus has always been non-gendered, non-conforming, breaking down classification, color lines, and boundaries. Like, I've always been all about that. That's what really touched me, and I said, you definitely got to collaborate.
That right there, it touched me because we are aligned, and I was born in North Carolina. We already got that connection. And I grew up in New York. When I saw you have this like grind and hats on, like, yo, I got you right here. In the beginning, I'm with a shopping cart at Prize because I have no permit, just on the outskirts, like, yo, I got t-shirts. So I was like, okay, I'm already messing with this dude. I love your artistry, and I just love everything that Threadhaus stands for. And I was like, oh, hey, we definitely got to do this. Like, it just makes sense. And then when we did our first collaboration, Afropunk, I mean, like that. They went like that, and I was like, okay, this is a marriage that's happening right now. He don't even know it.
Me up about the shit that y'all dropped the Afropunk. Like, yo, where can I ever get those hats? I'm like, bro, you got to contact Like, Threadhaus got highlighted in the Black Messiah.
Oh.
You know what
Come
I mean?
on.
I haven't really thought about it yet, but we got
Come on.
Lakeith was one of the first people to rock with me. You know what I mean?
He's super like aligned with your brand. Like, it only makes sense. He could put anything together, and that's like really like what you do.
Drop some new heat for you. This right here, I think this might be one of the hottest ones.
Yeah. Oh.
I'm gonna just.
Ooh.
I can see every Beyonce fan buying that. Can we get that to Beyonce? Come on, baby.
Hey, come on. Beyonce.
My home
Can we make that happen? Let's put that in the air. We're gonna make Beyonce. This is for the Beehive right here. Come on. I don't know if you say it's the Beehive or Beehive. Both of y'all. Brown, what else you got?
So I'm gonna just take you down there.
Oh, I love to see the crown.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that cocoa butter. I'm really loving digging the crown on this. And then what what I see from here, the stitching, because these are made for my actual t-shirts. So these are actual t-shirts made. And then you got the inside tag in here.
Yeah.
Perfectly. Come on.
Yep. And then we'll make sure for our collaboration.
Oh yeah, because they gotta know this right here.
I made a executive designer decision to do the block stitching, and we can go with yellow.
I know, I like that.
I felt that this hat needed a little bit more highlight to it.
Right.
I felt like this needed that.
You know what you're doing.
That little bit of flex. So
yeah. I love that. That's a great, I love details, so.
I feel like this is gonna sell out.
Whew. So these are sweaters. Just to be clear, so these are t-shirts and these are sweaters right here. So this has nice weight. You see the inside, you feel the softness of our sweaters inside. I love it's just the little things for me. I love this. And then this right here, killer. Bro, thank you.
Oh man, it's always an honor.
The love is like, woo. You put your foot, you put your heart in these. Like that's this is something special.